This video will cover the Multigenerational Home Renovation Tax Credit, also known as the MHRTC. Download the video script in the link below. If you live with someone who has been approved for the disability tax credit or is a senior 65 years or older, you may be eligible for the MHRTC. The Multigenerational Home Renovation Tax Credit is a non-refundable tax credit that can be claimed on your income tax return. You may be able to claim this tax credit if you own a home in Canada and paid for eligible renovation expenses to create a self-contained secondary unit to house an adult recipient of the disability tax credit or a senior aged 65 years or older. The secondary unit must allow a senior or an adult who is receiving the disability tax credit to live with a qualifying relative. The qualifying individual is the senior or the adult recipient of the disability tax credit. The qualifying relative is the person doing the renovation. All of the following conditions must be met in order to be eligible for the MHRTC. 1. You paid renovation costs to create a secondary unit within a dwelling, meaning materials and labor. A secondary unit is defined as a self-contained housing area with a private entrance, its own kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping area. This unit must be newly constructed and must meet local code requirements and bylaws. 2. The renovation was completed in the tax year you will be applying for the MHRTC, regardless of when the renovation was started. 3. This is the only MHRTC application for the qualifying individual. Only one renovation can be claimed for this individual during their entire life. 4. The person applying for the MHRTC is considered a qualifying individual, meaning the person applying is a Canadian resident and resides in the home where the secondary dwelling was established, and is 18 years or older, and is a parent, grandparent, child, grandchild, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, niece, or nephew of the qualifying individual. And 5, the dwelling is in Canada, is owned by the qualifying individual, and is inhabited by both the qualifying individual and the resident of the secondary dwelling, meaning the recipient of the disability tax credit or a senior aged 65 plus. You can claim up to $50,000 in qualifying expenses for each qualifying renovation that is completed. The MHRTC tax credit is for 15% of your renovation costs for a maximum of $7,500 credit. What are qualifying expenses? Qualifying expenses must be directly attributable to the secondary dwelling, be made between January 1st, 2023 and the end of the renovation period, and be paid by the eligible individual. These expenses may include items acquired or services received by professionals, permitting fees, and equipment rental for work specifically for the secondary dwelling. If you do the renovation work for yourself, you may only claim building materials, fixtures, rentals, permit fees, and certified building plan expenses. Your labor cannot be claimed as an eligible expense. There are many expenses that do not qualify. Some include anything without a receipt, routine repairs and maintenance, appliances, electronics, housekeeping, outdoor maintenance, security monitoring, financing costs, and more. Please click the following link for more information on expenses that don't qualify. If a family member helps you perform the work or purchase supplies, no expenses incurred are eligible. If the family member has a registered GST and HST number in a building-related business, some expenses may be eligible. Some families may decide to share the cost of renovations. Depending on the situation, this is allowed and the tax credit may be split. Please visit the link in the script for more information on splitting the credit between eligible individuals. When claiming the MHRTC, you must do so once the renovation is completed, even if it took multiple years to complete. The renovation period begins when the first qualifying expense is incurred and ends when the final occupancy permit is issued. The MHRTC is claimed on line 45355 of your income tax return, and you will need supporting documents to verify your expenses. You may use Schedule 12 to report your expenses and calculate the total credit you may claim. Supporting documents include information that identifies the vendors and contractors, including business addresses and their GST, HST numbers, itemized receipts that include a description of the goods and the date of the purchase, the date of delivery and proof of delivery found on the delivery slip for any delivered goods, the dates the work or services were performed, a description of all work done, including the address, the amount of any and all invoices, and proof of payment, meaning receipts and invoices that show when and how the payment was made, and other proof of payments like credit card or debit slips that correspond with the eligible individual's banking information. This concludes the MHRTC video. You can check out the rest of our disability tax credit video series on our YouTube channel at fasdNL or our other resources on our website at www.fasdnl.ca. Thanks for watching.